like a silicone teether with these little poppers. Oh, and I think there's shakers in this. She loves that. Up next, we have this spinner. Telling them about your toys that we brought for you. But I can't take them out because you don't know about them. They're new. I spilled probably 3 ounces of Evelyn's bottle that was just filled with water, spilled in my backpack, in the diaper bag. It's soaking wet. Look at the bag. Soaked. But anyway, just lots of little cute little things to look at in here. I need it to dry off a little bit before I give that to her. And there's just lots of little like activity things to do in here on either side. You think she wants to play with this? Or a bottle? There you go. Have a blast. Official introduction for my mom. Hi. It's a little bit rainy outside.
Yep.
Is still being prepared. This is the harissa beef, right? Mm-hmm. Looks so yummy. Got a shrimp bowl, burger, and then our first Cokes, the trip, Coke Zero for Cam. Cheers. Excited to try this.
Please, I know you don't love them, but just tiny little onion.
Try the beef.
Gotta get some of that.
Oh, yeah.
It's
very unique.
It's,
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it is.
Run that way?
When she came that way.
Yeah, let's try them.
I bet it sounds like she...
They're pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
What's your rating out of 10?
7.
Oh, all right.
Official rating, Zebra Dome. First bite. Everybody knows the rules. Animal Kingdom Lodge. What do we got for us, folks?
I would give them an 8.
I give the French fries a 12. Sonia Dupay with her first zebra cake of the trip. 1 out of 10. Your best rating.
I'm going with an 8.
8 too. We got 2 8s on there. And now we'll try a little zebra snack with the little baby. Get your little hands. She gets it. Straight to the mouth. Look at that pumpkin. It's a Mickey pumpkin. All right, while we're going through here, this is me. Describe myself. Number 1 dad. Man, number 1 husband, side by side. Jeez.
That is very cute, Mom. It's very you. Oh, I like the finish of all of those, really. Is it kind of mirrored?
Yeah, that's kind of fun.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Sorcerer Mick.
Oh,
Where were you looking
I
at?
like the Winnie
The sketch?
Pooh. Yeah, the sketch.
Yeah, those are cute.
And the one below it.
This one?
Yes.
Kind of retro.
That's very retro.
Yeah. This is kind of pretty.
That is pretty.
It is.
Here we go.
Oh, you like it?
Here we go.
That is so cool, huh? Because this will be posted after we leave, I can share that our room number is 7971. We're currently walking by 7941. Hello. The view is cool though. Hold on, let me show you. I think I see, is it? There's like hyenas behind that tree.
There's warthogs back there.
Really? Okay.
Just walked around. It's back.
It'll be my birthday next year by the time we get to our room. Since we're not going to a park today, we're making up for it and
We're making up for it right here.
More wildlife.
Oh, hello. Wow. Oh, some bird is spreading his wings. You see it? We're walking in. Come on in. Okay. A little bathroom situation. Hello. Okay, a little kitchenette right there. Oh. Hello, E. And here's our Savannah view. Cute. We got a longhorn and an ostrich. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, I see a giraffe, Cam. See the giraffe right there?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. I wanted to hop on and officially welcome you to our Disney travel day. We just checked into our room at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. Our room is small. I would say initial first reaction, it's outdated, but I was told that they're starting construction at least on one side of Kidani Village starting tomorrow, so that's interesting. Other than that, and our long walk back to our room, I'm really impressed with the food and the gift shop and just the overall ambiance and vibe here. I really like it. Daughter is standing there. Today is my birthday, actually, and I'm here with my mom and husband and daughter, here for a week until next Friday. We'll stay here for 2 nights and then check into Disney's Caribbean Beach. We have planned to go to dinner at Narcoossee's. Oh my gosh. We just had lunch at the Mara. Really nice shrimp bowl situation. Tried zebra domes for the first time. They were delicious. So we are just going to wait for our luggage to get dropped off up here. Also asked for a crib to be brought up. I can also see in the distance the top of the Coronado Tower and Swan and Dolphin. I am definitely sure that I will not be able to zoom in very far for you to see this. It really feels like backstage-esque to me. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to continue to take you along the rest of the day. Don't know what we have planned. We are going to do before dinner, but just keep watching and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be trying to post a video a day from our trip every Saturday. Can't wait to show you the rest of our trip. Okay, so wanted to come on and give a little update as to what we're doing today. Oh, is that the other shirt?
Yes, this is my other shirt.
Are you gonna be hotter in it since we'll be...
Probably, but it's more comfortable.
Okay, then just let's do it. And it goes with this a little bit better.
Okay.
It'll be better for pictures.
All right.
As you can see, we are getting ready to go out. We're wearing our dinner outfit for Narcoossee's, but we're going to go walk around the resorts a little bit before then. Maybe we might just only have time for the Grand, just to really take our time being in there before our 5 o'clock reservation. We are staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, so it's gonna take a little bit of time to get over to the Grand from Magic Kingdom. So that is why we wanted to leave on the earlier side to have enough time to get over there. Oh, somebody is coming back into our room. How did it go?
Good. You see all my pictures?
Yeah, I did. Oh, you got a shawl for Hopper.
You want to split it?
I want to just sit.
You split it with me because I
What
don't
is
like
it?
it that much. Who's here?
Why don't you like this?
I don't know. You want to split it?
Yeah.
Did she do okay?
Oh yeah, she was fine.
Sweet. Did you just get that at the gift shop or did you
Yeah.
go to the bar?
I don't know where the bar is.
Oh. Okay. Evelyn's falling asleep in the stroller. Cameron went on an adventure for a beer. So anyway, the lighting, oh no. The lighting in here is terrible. I'm not gonna show you my whole makeup routine, but dang. Anyway, it was really rainy when we were having lunch at the Mara, so we didn't get a chance to super explore and look at the animals. So I would still like to do that, maybe tomorrow at some point. By the way, this is a can't come without for the park as far as makeup goes. It's Secure the Blur from One Size. And this underneath as your primer is a must. I also got some fresh Botox that's really Botoxing. I can even see like I have a little dimple in above my brow that it's like lifting my eyes up. So my eye makeup is gonna look so much better than it normally does, which I love. Hello from the Grand. I left my mic clipped onto my other bag. Rookie vlogger mistake. Is it good? Like you remembered?
Yes, here, you need to taste it. Yes, it's delightfully refreshing.
Oh yeah, that's very nice.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, I think gin is good.
It tastes just like a lemon drop.
Yeah.
Is that what it tastes like?
Happy birthday, Chris.
Thank you.
And Sonia. Disney's Lakeshore Lodge.
Uh-oh, her little thing's coming out of her mouth. Can you stick it? She's trying to get it. Can you get it? Well.
Yeah.
She likes the bread.
She likes it?
It's good.
Get a little water to suck it down. Little G. Oh, she's got a good amount of water.
My scallops, spaghettini,
Redfish.
redfish.
This is the redfish.
Yummy.
Signature dish. Narcoossee.
Knowing that these noodles were like fresh made,
Yes.
little tubes
Yes, I remember.
of goodness.
So good. Oh, here's a risotto.
Dang.
Thank you so much. Oh, amazing.
We should have asked them maybe for a spoon. On a spoon to see if we can give her some on a spoon.
Yeah, when he comes back over, we'll try it. How is it, Cam? Whoa, a lot. The redfish.
Eat that? Sonya?
Smaller bite than that, though.
That's nice.
And then you,
I remember yours, Sonya. I remember tasting
yeah,
a bite
and
of
you're
yours.
welcome.
Same.
And I
You're
was
welcome
like,
to taste it.
I'm gonna
again.
wait till you're almost done.
sure. This is good.
I'll try this.
Yeah, that's a great consistency.
There's like a risotto.
With a little bit of everything together.
Yeah.
So, are you saying that this restaurant's going up on your list?
Yeah, but I can't eat steak here.
Yeah.
See, I'm just a country boy though.
Why can't you eat steak?
You didn't like it that much.
I'm just a country boy though. Like so, like if I go to a nice restaurant, like my go-to is gonna be some nice
Some bread.
side and some kind of one of their steaks.
Yeah.
That's kind of how I judge restaurants.
Like you'd love to have a steak and a risotto.
Yes, yes.
How do you even do that?
You could.
Yeah, but you didn't like the
I
steak.
didn't like the steak that much.
Good job.
So sweet. Thank
so
you.
Thank you, sir.
Yummy.
Yes,
Aww. Okay, time for the yummy bite.
Stand up when you're ready.
Would you love a bite of this? Oh. How is it?
Just as good as you remember.
Mom said she doesn't remember what it tastes like.
I really don't.
What do you say?
Definitely unique.
What's that?
Definitely unique.
Yeah.
It's not what I would pick, but I can tell why everybody loves it. It has a
The
very
almonds
unique
on the
flavor.
outside,
Yeah.
right there, is so good.
That crunch.
But what we should
Yeah.
do is cheers this.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to both of the
Yes.
young women across from me.
Happy birthday.
Cheers again.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Great, now we're going to drink more champagne.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
You guys are in trouble.
Baby's first cheesecake.
I'll tell you. A lovely woman at Narcoossee came up to the table after dinner and told us what a good job Eva had done at dinner, and that she knew her daughter had a child about the same age, and she always worried about was she going to bother people, and it made it very stressful for her. And she said, I just want to tell you how good she did and that you're doing a good job.
And we all cried.
No, I didn't. No, hey. No, I didn't.
We got to go that way. Mom wants to take a picture. So, rookie mistake on our part, thinking that it was not a Halloween party night, and it is.
Guess what? You live and you learn.
But we are getting on the monorail to go to Epcot to watch Luminous, which we've never seen before. It literally feels, what, 73 degrees out?
It's beautiful today.
Yeah. Here comes Mom. You got your pick? All right, let's go.
To get to the automatic doors. Our next stop will be the transportation and ticket center, where you'll find your connection to EPCOT, parking for rideshare, buses, and much more. The Monorail for the transportation and ticket center.
You're a star. Love you, my dude. Where are we, Cam?
What?
You need to give an update to the fans.
Fans. Ain't got no fans.
To the 2 people watching.
All I got for you is that we're here in Epcot, my favorite place in the entire world, where I can go to 13 countries at one time. I have my daughter and my awesome mother-in-law with me, and there's nothing I could ask for more in the world.
And who else?
I guess my wife.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here it's my handle, here it's my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me over and pour me out. Yeah.
Again, we're to Lulu now. We are
Going down the hallway of infinity.
Infinity, eternity. We have to walk by no less than 60 rooms.
We have a 1.4 mile walk to our room.
So this is as good of time as any to do our top 3 of the day. I'll go first. My first one is going to be the zebra domes, trying those for the first time. Those were delicious. And number 2 is going to be just ambiance of walking around Epcot. I thought that was fun. Not really being in a hurry or having anything to do. Oh, and then also under that is going to be watching, is it Luminous? Yeah, Luminous for the first time, finally. And then my number 1 favorite is the, like, God ordained message that this random lady gave to us at dinner at Narcoossee's that Mom already explained to you. But we all cried, and that was very sweet. So that was my favorite one. All right, who's next?
My number one is dinner
Okay.
and the entire experience there.
Yes.
My number two was, it's kind of twofold, but it's our little blurb of time that we had at Magic Kingdom, walking to the entrance of Magic Kingdom, decorated for Halloween.
Yes.
And then continuing on to walk into EPCOT at night.
Ooh.
Love that.
Oh, I forgot.
My
So good.
third, oddly enough, is this walk to our room.
It's your favorite?
It was just fun.
Oh, the first
It
time.
was just fun. Yes. It was just a fun
Memory.
little memory.
Yeah. I'll never forget. It's getting warm.
Number 3 is just little EVCV doing a good job on the flight down here.
Yeah, that's a great one.
She was wide awake the whole time, but she was wide awake and happy the whole time, which is a win. Number 2, I'm gonna go with just Narcoossee's food in general there. Redfish, unbelievable. The risotto, unbelievable. What else did we have? Oh, and we got a glass of champagne for the 2 ladies' birthdays here today. Then I'm gonna go number 1 with just the lady that just hyped up Kristen about being a good mom and brought the anxiety away from her body forever, hopefully.
Yeah. That sums it up pretty much. But
It was a great day.
It was a great day. Thank you so much for watching our travel day vlog. We will catch you up, or we will catch
Travel
up
day
with you.
and day 1.
Yeah, I suppose. Catch up with you tomorrow when we go to Animal Kingdom and celebrate my mom's birthday. And thanks for watching. Bye.
This is called end of the vlog ready.
He's a wild animal. It's a wild Cameron in his natural habitat.
We're going to the Jumbo house.